Okay, what is your plan?
Or what?
What is the plan? What is your the first project?
The one with the scorpion claws. We're just gonna go out of the book and then, if we have time, modify it.
Okay. Okay, can you show me what is your plan? What is your first project? Just follow the instruction or what?
Yeah,
will
we're
you
just
do?
following the instructions for our first project.
For the base.
And then we're gonna modify it when it's done.
When the base is done.
Let's see. I will give you the better later. Okay. Okay, what is the plan? What is your?
Right, so the engine's going to keep it steady while it rotates. Right? And then we've already shown that as it rotates.
Hi.
Okay. I was just looking at.
Ultrasonic can sound like in my head seem like it should be one. You know? Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Yeah.
Hi. We're building things.
What is your plan? What is
The plan is to build one from the computer for the first time
okay?
because that would be give an idea for how it works. And then we're just gonna modify it to use everything.
Okay.
Yeah, we're going with Scorpion, and then we're gonna add the extra sensors on. And we're trying to figure out how we're gonna add these sensors on, the extra ones, because we know for sure we're using at least 2, so we have to figure out how to use the other 2.
Okay. Thank you, Michael.
How does the light sensor work?
Thank you.
Close to
Okay. Yep. So, are you gonna use your own design or just in your computer one?
Well, I'd like to build one of our own design.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I'd like to do.
Okay.
Yeah, we haven't really like.
I'm just looking at trying to think of everything that I'm going to build. I'm thinking a trike because this would create independent steering and this would be in the back. And if I just pick that up like that.
Like the Formula 1. Okay, let me just like build a body structure.